Here I want to present a review of my paper entitled Sustainable EFL Blended Education in Indonesia Practical Recommendation. The author are Putri Gayatri, Helena Sid, Shen Willy. The journal is Sustainability, published in 2023. This is the information about the journal sustainability. It is SSGI Q2. The method in this paper is literary research and conceptual framework development. What is library research? Analysis existing studies on sustainable development, education for sustainable development, EFL instruction, blended learning. The sources are academic article, policy report, theoretical framework. Conceptual framework development integrated theories from second language acquisition, SLA, constructivism, blended learning models, Taylor framework for Indonesian socio-cultural context. Characteristic of the study: no fieldwork, no experiment or surveys, purely theoretical and literature-based, focus on practical classroom recommendation. Note on this article analysis, exact number of article review are not specified. Synthesize various sources qualitatively. Emphasizes on practical, actionable strategy. The study built a practical EFL blended education framework by connecting sustainability goals and language education theories through comprehensive library research. The introduction, globalization demand English for sustainability, limited ESD, education for sustainable development, understanding in Indonesia. The goal is ICT supported EFL blended model. Notion of education sustainability, meeting present needs without harming future generation. It means that the needs for today's necessity, the student live today, so they must meet the need for today demand. That is in the AI era, in the digital era. The expanded poverty, gender inequality, right, health, education. It means that not all students able to access digital. Not all students able to access AI. Understanding education for sustainable development. ESD fosters informed sustainable decision making, integrated across discipline, not standalone. It means that the learn of education for sustainable development not only in English as foreign language, but also in another subject, another discipline, such as mathematics, physics, sport, exercise, physical education, etc. Importance of integrating sustainable development into English for foreign language. Language enhances learning, communication, thinking. English equal gateway to global resources and discussion. By mastering English, we can communicate with other people from another country. So we must have the ability to know what happened in another country in order to be able to communicate well about what happened in their country. Blended learning in Indonesia, it started with COVID-19. COVID-19 boosted tech use. Because of COVID-19, the government forced the education aspect to use the distance learning. Ministry promote blended learning. Because of this, so after COVID, the distance learning is also still used until today. Benefit, equity, access, and sustainability. Sustainable EFL blended education, online material, authentic global exposure, collaboration, better communication skill, real world English use. It means in blended education, we can use online learning and offline learning. When we use online learning, we can communicate with a native speaker. So it means that we know the first hand what is to be like speaking with native speaker. Framework for Sustainable English for Foreign Language Blended Learning. Design, set goal, and assessment. Build sociocultural learning design. Teach clear structure delivery. Revise, evaluate, and improve. Before COVID-19, all the teacher usually teach offline. But because of COVID, the teacher is forced to teach online. And after COVID, the teacher blend those two uh, media, those two strategies, online F online into one, into blended learning. Practical recommendation, blended global discussion. Global partnership, technology access, global topic, climate change, preparation, research, online discussion. It means when we use online teaching, online learning, we can meet a student from another country. When we meet the student from another country, we can have partnership. For example, University in Indonesia have partnership with University in Taiwan. Then the teacher accommodate online discussion between those students from those two countries using technology that is online meetings such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, etc. And the topic is also we have a variety of topic in this paper. The example is climate change. Potential challenges, finding global partner, ensuring technology access, solution, what up, stage activities. When we want to have partnership with another university from another country, with student from university in another country, sometimes it is difficult to start the project because it usually has the aspect of professionalism. The partnership should be happen in legal norm, and so we need to process the bureaucracy, and it challenges this teacher, it challenges the student. The conclusion, EFL must integrate sustainability. So the material of sustainability, such as climate change, should be integrated into the material in EFL, English for Foreign Language. Blended learning boosts global skill. We can learn offline when we have a discussion with our friend, with the student in the same university, and we can online discussion when we want to discuss with the student from another university, from another country. Cultural adaptation is key. When we want to have socialize with another person from another country, we should also understand what their cultural background and what we have to do to face them, how to socialize with them, how to talk with them. Future empirical research needed. So this is a limited research that only analyze some article. Uh, this article suggests that the another researcher conduct another empirical research in this topic. Thank you.